Alejandro D'Acosta works with textures, pounded earth, old wine bottles, barrels made into walls and chairs.
So one of the things is everything's on the earth right now, no? So we just need to recycle. No? This is the restaurant.
In the Valle de Guadalupe, an old 1940s olive oil factory is growing with architectural meaning. Now, very simply, Alejandro collects garbage and builds with that. That simplicity becomes the essence of true beauty. We play with the garbage, trying to make poetry, he says. We have to understand who we are through our hands. The grace of imperfection is very important for us, because in our country, we don't follow that perfection. The way we make things is different than only making beauty. Beauty comes from the soul. It's a different way of understanding. It shows the hands of imperfection. We are moving from one kind of winemaking to another, and a new way of business by making things together. If you make bread, cheese, coffee, or olive oil, that's as important to us as making wine. Here, everyone comes to make their wine, and we help them with the machinery and our knowledge. Also, we have the school to teach winemaking. The project started as a family business 30 years ago. Alejandro and his brother Hugo decided to go separate ways, but their next step is to integrate the next generation. It's a golden moment here in the school. The wines are a representation of our knowledge of 30 years. We're not following the high prices. We're diving into the center. We think it's the moment for that in the Valle.
Well, welcome to the Estacion de Oficios del Porvenir. We prepare just very simple wine tasting. And one of the things that are very important for us is that we are not following any type of enology that are in the world. We are trying to understand what we are and what we have in our terroir. And that helps to create and to go with the wine, keep it, the simplicity as the essence of the true beauty. Segunda llamada.
Visit Estacion Porvenir, wine tastings and restaurant. They're growing ducks, making olive oil, distilling mezcal, limoncello, and grappa. Find out more about Alejandro D'Acosta's other winery projects in the Valle de Guadalupe. I'm Elaine Masters. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and salud!